Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we have another side job for you guys. This one got quite muddy. We had rain for like a week or two and the ground just wouldn't dry up, but we had a job to do and we got it done. That's all that matters, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Here it goes. And this is the mess that we're dealing with today. You can see the puddles of water, all the rocks, and they used to look much worse. We had a guy come out like a week ago and just harley everything with the tractor. It used to be full of weeds, and you can see in the back right there, that's the pile of debris that they created. And I think the sprinklers came not too long ago. You can see all the ruts that they left with their machine. And the first thing we're gonna do to start this grid is take out this silt fence. I don't know why I always find it satisfying just watching a tractor pull the fence out. Something about it, I don't know. And now with the fence out, we can finally start stripping out all these weeds along the concrete. And once I take those weeds out, I can start scraping everything onto the street, just so it's easier for me to pick up and put in our dump trailer. now that we got most of our debris out, we can finally start trying to grade this thing up. You guys are probably looking at all these roofs like, what are these guys doing? But don't worry, all that gets siphoned out with our Harley rake, and whatever doesn't, we rake it out and just pile it up so we can take it all out. Just an FYI, this is Jordan on the tractor right now, and I think this was his first time grading actually, so all the other critiquers out there, be gentle with him. And now we're gonna bring out the skid, and I know that everybody grades differently, and what we like to do is flatten everything up with this machine. Just try to create a nice flat surface with this, hide all the little rocks and everything. And if there's any imperfections still left, that's when we bring out the tractor again to try to fix upon that, since the tractor has tires and it makes less of a mess. And the day to lay sod finally got here. I don't know if you guys hear that contractor in the background going crazy. We've been here for like 20 minutes. He's been yelling the whole time. So let's get to laying. This was probably some of the heaviest sod of the season. I think each roll weighed like around 60 to 70 pounds each. How many cuts I got in the front? And that's right here. And that's right here. What happened?
What?
They're gonna take a lunch break.
So I got back, everyone said good lunch, I got away by myself.
Oh man.
And after a gruesome day, we finally finished. That sod was heavy. And all that duster blowing right there is going straight to some wood, so don't worry guys. We wouldn't do that if there was houses, and we wouldn't even do it if there was people walking on the street. So just an FYI. Anyways guys, check it out. This is how it turned out. what you guys think down in the comments, and we had a long, hard day with this heavy side, so I think we'd appreciate a little like if possible. But for real, if you really like this video, like it. If you don't, dislike it. And if you like watching this type of content, subscribe. I try to upload whenever I can. But like I said before, we're in the off season right now, so whatever content I have is what I recorded in the summer. So I'm only posting every 3 weeks now. But anyways, thanks for watching and on to the next job.